This is a Japanese Mox cutting knife. Very nice. This is already going terribly. There we go. Alright. Sorry you had to witness that. I'm not very good at these. Alright. Okay. We got it. I'll get better eventually, okay? Don't worry. But, here it is. God. So here we have a little pamphlet ship. Bunch of shit I'm never gonna use. And the reveal. This is so pretty. Okay, so we have a keycap remover. That's nice. So that doesn't mean they think their keycaps are bad. For inserting switch, we have a USB-C to USB-C 90-degree angle cable right here. Right angle cables. A few extra keys because I think it comes with a pretty nice metal switch puller, which is pretty nice. And then the keyboard itself. Let's take it out. Oh my. Oh my. Really nice. I like it. Oh god damn. That is a good feeling keyboard. The specs of this one are an aluminum chassis, which comes with RGB, and I believe I got the brown switches. I hope I did. Yep, so I got the Keychron Pro Mechanical hot swappable browns because, well, we're gonna be hot swapping it. Oh my god. But yeah, wow, this feels really nice. It feels well built. It doesn't twist. It's still lightweight. It's got two different kick feet settings. Oh my god. These are some very nice feeling and sounding switches. So first thing we are going to do is, we're gonna remove the command key and all that. Ah, jeez. Nice. I kind of like this orange escape. I am going to be keeping these keycaps. I'm not going to be switching them out since I actually really like the Keychron keycaps on this. And I just like the little blue, just like the blue legend for the F keys and, the yellow for all the functions. I think it is very nice. As you see, the port's not on the back, neither are all the switches for Bluetooth. It's actually on the side right here, as you can see. I think it's focusing, but yeah. So there is cable, off, and Bluetooth, Mac and iOS, and Windows and Android. Wait, Android? That's fucking sick. But for now, we're just gonna connect it with the cable, just so I can see the effects. RGB, oh my god. That is a pretty beautiful effect. I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty crisp, especially with these amazing legends on this. I think it is, I think it's pristine. So I think it's FN2 and this. Oh my, okay. Okay, so it's like waves of different colors. Oh, never mind. Okay, we found it. I'm sorry. There's, I usually like firmware with this. People usually say that it's bloated, but I mean, nowadays with, how powerful CPUs are, like how many cores are in like the average person's CPU, I don't really believe in that. Oh, this is me typing, and this is seizure. Oh, this is why I can't do typing tests. All right. Oh wait, no, wrong one. It's this. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's a cool little effect. And you know, it's just going down. You can see that. You're not blind, I'm sorry. I like this. These seem to be more pastel colors. If I press FN2, I can change the color of it. Oh, it kind of like stays there. This is pretty cool. It's like stars. Yay. Yeah, it's not my favorite, but what's this? It's more of like a still RGB. This is random. Ooh. I think I have a new favorite. This is probably my favorite one. This is a breathing mode. I get it. Everything needs breathing. This is just switching colors. And I think we're... Ooh, this is pretty cool. So many lighting effects. Like, the onboard memory on this must be insane. Oh, this is kind of like going through the 2 rows. Kind of like cycling. This is the whole bar. This is like a spasm, kind of. This is a faster version. Are we back at the start? Yeah, we're back at the start. But yeah, this is a pretty cool keyboard. This was a quick little unboxing and review. If you're wondering how this feels to type on, this feels great to type on. I'm just really bad at typing. It's good. Once I get more products, I'll start making tier lists and all that. So far, this is my favorite, just because these are lube switches and it's a bit more quiet, more keys. It's better for my main keyboard, but this is pretty good. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like down below and subscribe, and I hope you have an amazing fucking day. I love you all. Peace.